In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Zelle. Zelle is a free money transfer service integrated into the apps and websites of many major US banks and credit unions. It offers a seamless way to send and receive money using just an email address or a US mobile number. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to integrate easy money transfers into their digital banking routine. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting it up on your desktop browser. The first step in setting up Zelle is to go to your bank's website and log into your online banking account. This is where it all starts. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you haven't registered for online banking with your bank yet, you'll need to complete that setup first, which usually involves some form of identity verification. Once you're logged in, you're ready to find where Zelle is integrated into your bank system. Now, the next task is to navigate to Zelle within your bank's website. Typically, you'll find this option under sections marked Payments, Transfer, or Send Money. Banks often structure their websites differently, but these sections are where you'll commonly find the Zelle service. If you're having trouble finding it, a quick site search using the keyword Zelle or checking your bank's support resources might help you locate it more quickly. Once you've found Zelle, it's time to complete the enrollment process. Start by providing your preferred email address or US mobile number. This step is crucial because Zelle uses this information to connect you with people who might send or receive money from you. After entering your details, choose the bank account you want to link to Zelle. This should be your primary account for receiving and sending money to ensure seamless transactions. The next check is verifying your contact information. Whether you've decided to use your email or mobile, you'll receive a verification code. Most banks will send a text or an email containing a code to ensure the security of your registration. Upon receiving this, enter the code into the prompted fields on your bank's online portal to confirm your contact information. After you've completed this verification process, congratulations! You're now all set to use Zelle online. From here on out, you'll be able to send and receive money from various participants in the US using Zelle right from the comfort of your online banking platform. Remember to keep your contact details updated and to use Zelle safely by only sending money to those you trust. If you encounter any issues while setting up or using Zelle, don't hesitate to contact your bank's customer service for assistance. That's all there is to it. Setting up Zelle via online banking on your desktop is straightforward and quick, making your financial transactions more convenient than ever before.